It's a cutting-edge drug that tracks down and targets only cancer-causing cells.
An ingestible robot pill, delivering precise amounts of medication.
Hip implant now connecting to TV. Rehab program initiating.
It's not some far-off sci-fi fantasy. It's here today, in clinics, operating rooms, and labs across the country. Smart drugs, supergenetics, digital wearables, artificial intelligence. Ironically, it's cold, hard science that is freeing us to more fully realize our humanity, pushing the limits of what it means to be alive. Of course, exploring new human frontiers has risks. Travelers has insured life science companies for decades, giving us the expertise to manage a range of business risks across the product lifecycle, R&D, clinical trials, manufacturing, all the way to distribution. We meet the unique needs of pharmaceutical, medical technology, and digital health companies, covering everything from products liability to cyber and global risks. This protects businesses, innovations, and people. Who knows where the life sciences will take us? But wherever it is, Travelers will be there to support the next big innovation.